Inhlangano iVincent Shabalala Education Trust ibungaze iklasi layo likamatikuletsheni labafundi, othisha kanye nezikole ezenze kahle kakhulu ngonyaka ka-2024 emcimbini obuse Alexandra ekuqaleni kwanamhlanje. Abafundi bathole imifundaze, othisha bathola izipho, kwathi izikole ezintathu eziphase kahle zamuka no-450,000. Iphini likaMengameli uMnumzane uPaul Mashatile ubehambele umcimbi ezokwethula inkulumo yosuku njengosihlalo weVincent Shabalala Education Trust.
Inhlangano engenzi inzuzo iVincent Shabalala Education Trust ezinze endaweni yase-Alexandra ibambe umcimbi wokuhlonipha abafundi, othisha kanye nezikole eziphathe ngamalengiso endaweni. Ekhuluma kulo mcimbi ongusihlalo wale nhlangano uPaul Mashatile ushayele ihlombe lezikole nabafundi abenze kahle.
As we celebrate our learners' achievements today, we also recognize the necessity of collaborating to ensure that all future generations have access to high quality education. We must work together to create an education system that works for everyone and allows every learner to pursue their aspirations. We are firm believers that education empowers people to fulfill their highest potential and make meaningful contribution to society. A new report reveals that while South Africa's matriculation pass rate reached a historic 87.3%, the retention rate for students dropped to 64.5%.
Le nhlangano iklomelise abafundi ngemfundazwe, izipho yaphinde yanikela ngemali engu-450,000 wamarandi kwezikole ezintathu eziphume phambili kokuhlukana kwazo ngonyaka ka-2024. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV, ngikuNokulunga Mthembu ngise-Alexandra.